Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for you. These are design team projects for Buttons Galore and More, and these are for November. I have 3 projects that I made with some of the products that they sent me a couple of months ago. And yeah, I made a few things that I think are super cute, and I've shown them on Instagram, so you may have seen them there, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what I made here on YouTube and also show you the different products that I used in case you're interested. And I will leave all links below to the products that I used. The first 2 products I used are these embellishment kits, and this one is called Autumn Afternoon and the other one is called So Crafty. And these are great because they come with lots of different embellishment things. It comes with buttons and seed beads, charms. It comes with like a ribbon or trim and sequins, so lots of different things, and they're each color coordinated, and the different charms go with the different theme of the kit. So I used both of these in my first project, which is this shaker card, and as you can see, I filled it up with lots of good shaker bits. I cut it out of 3mm foam, so there's plenty of room for shaker materials. As you can see, it has some buttons in there as well, so buttons can, like small buttons, can flow easily on 3mm foam. So for the shaker bits, I use seed beads and sequins from the So Crafty kit. So those are like the bluish color ones and white and green. But I also use seed beads from the Autumn Afternoon kit as well. And the flat back pearls, those orangey ones, those are from the Autumn Afternoon kit. So, yep, everything inside is from those 2 kits. On the top, I also used a button from the Autumn Afternoon kit. I just hot glued it onto some twine. And this charm is actually from that kit as well. It's obviously a leaf, and I thought it went really well with this color scheme that I was using, because there's a little bit of brown in the stems of the pumpkins. So yeah, so that's my autumn card. It's blank inside for now, but I thought it'd be good as a thank you card because I have a bunch of them to write, or I could even use it as a Thanksgiving card. And I like the pretty light pastel colors, and that makes it fun for me. So yeah, that was my first project. So let me move that out of the way so I could show you the others. Okay, the next 2 that I made are pretty Christmassy. Oops. The first one, I used one of my favorite products from Buttons Galore, and it's the Sparklets. And this one is the cutest one. It's called Frosty Friends, and it's got these cute snowman sequins and different like dewdrops and sequins, and it has these pretty little like seed beads that are clear, but they have like a teal core to them, and some random like red sequins and a couple of iridescent ones. It's just really frosty. That's what I totally think of when I see those. So I made another shaker card, but this one is Christmas themed, and the inside is filled with Frosty Friends bits. As you can see, there's plenty in here, even though it looks like a small package, but they're really loaded up pretty well. I have a very good amount in here, and I have a lot left. So yeah, isn't that cute? I just thought it was really cute and just good for like a frosty kind of card. And these colors, I just love. I love like the teal and pink and red, and this mix just goes perfectly with those colors. So yeah, I love it. I think that makes the card, the fun shaker bits inside. And I embellished it with just, like everything again is popped up on 3mm foam. Yeah, and I love this. I got this at Hobby Lobby, that poinsettia. I just thought it added a sweet little touch to the edge of the cup. And of course, it's hot cocoa paper in the background. But yeah, so that's my second project. You've seen it before, maybe, if you follow me on Instagram. But yeah, that's it. So I thought that was adorable. I really like that card. Okay, and the last project I've made is using this shaker mix cube. And this one, it's by 28 Lilac Lane, and this one is called Midwinter Night. This one has beautiful purples and teals and pinks and clears. It's so pretty. I love it. I love how adding the pink and the purple to the wintry scene, it's so pretty. So I was inspired by these to make something snowy. So I had some white like iridescent bottle brush trees. So I covered a few of them with some of those buttons. So this is the smaller one, and for this one, what I did was I sprayed the whole thing with some spray adhesive, and then I took the cute little star glitter that's in there. I just, picked it up and filtered out the other bigger things, and then just kind of flung it onto here, and you could see inside there's glitter stuck onto the branches and also on the base. So that was fun. And then once I did that, I just stuck on a bunch of the buttons from here. I found that the spray adhesive wasn't quite enough to hold them on, so I just added a little bit of Fabri-Tac to the button and then stuck it onto the tree. And then I just added a button I had in my stash for the top. But isn't that pretty? Just love the wintry colors. So then I made a bigger one as well, because these trees came 2 in a pack from Dollar Tree. And this is the bigger one. And for the bigger one, I actually strung a garland of the buttons. I used some iridescent twine that I had, and yeah, just strung buttons on and then wound it around the tree and glued the top onto the tree and then the bottom. And again, I put a bunch of sequins and star glitter on here. And it was just a fun way to do it. I wasn't sure which way would be better, to just glue them on or do the garland. I think if you're doing a lot of them, a garland is the way to go. And the iridescent twine that I use just kind of blends right in, but you could use, like a contrasting color. That would look fun too. And for this one, I just stuck on some of the sequins as well. The smaller one, I did not use any sequins. So a couple of them just fell off because I did not glue those on. I just kind of stuck them on. But yeah, they might require a little bit of glue. But I love how these came out. I think they're so pretty. And if you've been watching my videos, you see that I have decorated a whole bunch of bottle brush trees in different ways. And I think this is a fun addition to my little forest. So those are my projects. I will link all the materials down below from Buttons Galore if you are interested in making them yourself or just checking out what they have to offer. They have a really cool website, lots of cool embellishments and buttons and just anything you could want to add a little sparkle and flair to your projects. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. I share a lot over there that I just don't have time to put on YouTube. So anyway, thanks again, and I will be back soon with another crafty video. Bye guys.